What's up guys, Bailey again with Bavarianautoclinic. Today we're working on a 2020 Porsche Macan, just doing an oil service and then our complimentary inspection as well. Whenever we do an oil service, we like to kind of go through the vehicle, kind of make sure everything's good. Check things like the air filter, you know, all the fluids. We get samples, take pictures of everything. Just try to do a really good inspection whenever it comes in for an oil service, so we can make any other recommendations or spot any other problems that we might see. So right now I'm just taking care of the top side of things, checking everything out in the engine bay, make sure that's all good, and then I'm going to lift it up, start doing the oil change, and then I'll be kind of checking on everything underneath while I'm doing that. We just wrestled the air filter out of the Porsche Macan, and we're just doing a quick look on the inside at the filter. Looks pretty clean. Oops, sorry. Pretty clean in there. I don't see any debris or anything loose in there, and the box looks really clean as well. So yeah. All right, so we are about to check the brake fluid. We're looking mainly for water contamination as well as the level. Make sure the level's good. So we're just gonna stick this guy in here, and we're looking good. We're at 0% water contamination in there, and I can see that the fluid level is looking pretty good. So we don't really have too much to worry about there. We just did a quick battery test, located back in the trunk here on the Macan. Got our tester hooked up to it. Looks like we have a healthy battery, could use a recharge. So we're gonna let the customer know kind of where it's sitting, take a picture of this and make sure that it's on the inspection so that they can see it, so they can see kind of where it's at as well. So we have the oil draining currently. We took a quick sample so that we can show the customer kind of what their oil looks like. It was looking pretty dark. Looks like they waited maybe just a little bit too long to get it changed, but it's okay. We're here doing it now. So we have it draining, and while the car is now up in the air, I'm gonna go take a look around kind of everything else that we check underneath here. You know, bushings, tires, all sorts of things. Look for any leaks, anything like that. So yeah, while that's doing that, we're gonna take a look around. So we just got finished up doing the oil service and inspection on the Porsche Macan. A couple of the things we found, we noticed a few of the different fluids are starting to look pretty dirty, contaminated, such as the rear differential as well as the transfer case are both starting to hit their service point. So we were looking at that. We noticed that the cooling system is really low on coolant, so we're gonna hook up the coolant pressure tester next and see if we can see if it's leaking anywhere. Other than that, I mean, everything was pretty good. Still a newer vehicle, 2020, so there wasn't too much underneath that was, you know, causing issues or anything like that, or anything that was super obvious. Everything's still looking pretty fresh on this, so not too bad.
Alrighty, so this 2020 Porsche Macan came to us for an oil service, and while I was here we did a thorough multi-point inspection, and and found that the transfer case fluid and the rear differential fluid were due to be replaced. So we performed the services, the rear differential service and the transfer case service, and replaced some wiper blades. Other than that, the vehicle needs really nothing else. So everything's been cleaned up, test drove the vehicle, no issues. We're gonna hand the keys back to the customer, and another happy customer. If you guys need any work done to your Porsche or any other German automobile, feel free to give us a call or make an appointment on our website, and we'll see you guys in the next one.